प्रधानमंत्री का धन्यवाद करता हूं।
थैंक यू। माननीय श्री प्रदीप भट्टाचार्य जी। माननीय भट्टाचार्य जी, आपके बाद और एक स्पीकर हैं आपकी पार्टी से, अकॉर्डिंगली आपका।
सही बात ही है, लेकिन एक चीज तो है, आपने कितना टाइम दिया मेरा प्रीवियस स्पीकर को।
उनके पास है उतना समय
नहीं, वो तो अलग बात है, वो तो अलग बात है, तो उसे टाइम तो हमको भी थोड़ा देना पड़ेगा। आई एम वेरी सॉरी। एनीवे, really today is a very important day. We are discussing the labor and employment issue. One of the oldest ministry in the central government, in the state government. But unfortunately, sir, I feel this government is trying to destroy the strength and power of the workers. They are saying they have introduced so many social programs. But what type of social program? Digital India. Digital, they have said, Shram Shubhida portal. Sir, you tell me, an agricultural labor, I would like to tell it to Honorable Minister, you are a lawyer, you know something about the law. You tell me, an agricultural labor, what he will do with the portal issue and with the digital issue when he has no work. An agriculture worker, in all over the country, so many crores of agriculture workers, those who are working on the field, how much money they are getting in every day. You have said that we have common and registration format on e-wish portal of development of industrial policy and promotion. What industrial policy and promotion in regard to the agricultural labor and all the workers who are covered by the Minimum Wages Act? Can you tell me the crores of workers, those who are covered under the Minimum Wages Act, such as Bidi Mostu, Rickshaw Polar, and so many workers are there. How you are going to protect them? How you are going to give them the minimum wages? There is no scope at all. The government has said that yes, simplification, reduction of number of registered to be maintained under the various central level laws. What are the labor laws? You have squeezed all the labor laws. For whom? In a practical sense, we had the 42 labor laws. Now 4 courts are there. To protection, how can you give the protection to both the agricultural labor, both the unorganized sector workers and the organized sector workers? You tell me. You are a lawyer, sir, you tell me. In a court, labor court, the judges are saying we have no law at all to protect the workmen. 5 years, 6 years, 10 years are waiting. They are not getting any verdict. And after getting any verdict in favor of them, do you know what is happening? Your management going to the High Court and Supreme Court. But you tell me a poor worker, how he can go to Supreme Court? Why the Ministry of Government of India will not protect these workers? Then what for this labor ministry? You kindly tell me then what for this labor ministry? Then we should Change the name of the labor ministry. We may say it is a ministry for management and industrialists and corporate sectors. Really, I am very sorry to tell all these things to you. सबका साथ सबका विकास. विकास किसको होता है? मैनेजमेंट को विकास होता है. टैक्सेशन रिडक्शन वर्कर्स लिए होता है नहीं, मैनेजमेंट के लिए होता है. But you are a labor minister. You have to protect the workmen. Provident fund. Do you know, have you any statistics? How many workers are not getting provident fund? Your officers can do this thing, can tell you. Can your officials tell us, or minister can tell in this house, how many industrialists were punished because they are the defaulters of Provident Fund? Can you tell me? I can say you more than 200 jute mill owners who are the defaulters. No case has yet been lost against them. Why? Now we are saying urbanization will take place. I agree, I support. Industrialization will take place, I support. But when you remove the villages, where they will be going, how you can provide them? Is there any provision to you have? No, you don't have anything. We know in our country, not only our country, all over the world.
Honorable member, your other speaker will only have 5 minutes with him. You take a minute or two, because that's the total time allocated for your party. You take a minute.
Okay.
10 minutes each, please, sir.
To all over the world, in a production unit, you require the management, I understand. But any production can take place without the labor force. Labor force is the most important factor in a production unit. But if you don't protect them, how can you get the production? Because करने का लिए production तो जरूरी है. कैसे होगा? If you are trying to kill the workers. Employment, the name of the ministry is the labor and employment. Where is the employment? I understand due to the COVID, demonetization, lakhs of workers were unemployed. And the mostly are the child workers. Here is a figure. According to the study by SBI Research, the share of informal sector in India's economy fell to 15 to 20% in financial year 21 from 52.4% in financial year 18. Poverty in the rural India, evidence of declining consumption, spending in rural India bears this out. According to the government survey, in 2018, the rural households were spending 8.8% less than according to the inflation. Then they were 6 years ago, even as the urban spending grew by 2%. This was the first such decline in at least the 5 decades. Rural households had to reduce their spending
Member,
on food
conclude.
by massive
Manya Bhattacharya
10%, worsening India's hunger crisis.
Please conclude. I cannot allow you more time. I've already allowed you 9 minutes. There are only 3 minutes left for your other member. Please conclude.
I have only 1 minute.
You have less than a minute. You've already taken 3 minutes more. Just one
Anyway, I am trying to cut short this thing. Consumers child labor rises to huge number. In 2016, the government estimated there were 100 million migrant workers, of which roughly 20-25% children. According to UNICEF, more than 10 million Indian children are still in some form of servitude, with over 1.5 million schools closed during the pandemic. You know it very well, sir. So many schools were closed.
Thank you.
This number one. Just 2 minutes.
No, I cannot allow more time. You had total of
just
12
for
minutes.
1 minute to conclude, I will conclude.
That 1
please.
minute has been continuing. Please conclude.
The children engaged in the meaningful development activities have also gone away or reduced significantly. Then how can we protect the workers, particularly child workers? Lastly, I would like to know the government, are they going to change the Child Labor Abolition Act and to make all arrangement? Those who will take the child workers, they will be punished and they will be in jail. I would like to know from the government.
Thank you, Honorable Member. Thank you.